All right, so we're going to start by solving number 1. So for these couple of steps, we're going to probably start by drawing the river. Remember, we always undo adding or subtracting first. Okay, so undo adding or subtracting first. So this is a -7, so we undo that by adding 7 to both sides. These 7's cancel. We bring our 4x down. We don't do anything to our inequality sign yet, just flows down the river. 17 plus 7 is 24. Now we have to get rid of this 4, so we divide both sides because there's that implied multiplication symbol. These 4's cancel. I'm left with x and 6. And again, because I divided by a positive, I don't need to flip my inequality sign, so it stays like this. Okay. So now I need to graph this. So I need to number my number line. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because there's no equal sign, it's an open circle. And then we can draw our thing from there, our line. So now we know it's an open circle going to the right. Okay, we're gonna do another one together. All right, so the next one is the same. So we're going to start by drawing the river. There's a +4 here. So the opposite of a +4 is a -4. So we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. These 4's cancel. My -5x gets brought down. -26 minus 4 is -30. Bring your inequality symbol down. Can't have -5x, so I have to divide both sides by -5. Our 5's cancel. We have x and 6. Now, remember, when we divide or multiply by a negative, our inequality symbol flips. Okay? So now that's our new inequality symbol. But remember, when we're graphing, our x needs to come first. So we are flip-flopping these, so we need to flip-flop this back. So this is like a double flip. So we're going to number our number line again. And then, because it has a line, it should be a closed circle. And then shoot the arrow out, and now we know it goes that way. Right, so closed circle going to the right for number 2/6. All right, one more together. We're going to do number 3 together. Going to do number 3. Always start by drawing the river. This is addition, so we're going to undo addition, and we're going to subtract 21 on both sides. These 21's cancel. Bring down our 3/10 x. Bring down your inequality sign. 0 minus 21 is -21. We have to undo multiplication, so we divide by 3/10. Divide by 3/10. Okay. You're going to want to throw that in the calculator. When you do that, you should get -70. Okay. So do -21 divided by 3/10 in your calculator. And just verify that you got -70 like I did. Okay. We don't need to flip our inequality sign because we divided by a positive. So even though this 21's negative, we don't flip our inequality sign. Now we need to label our numbers, our number lines. So let's put -70 here. 69, 68. Label your number line. What is that? 71, 72. There's no line under here, so it's an open circle. And when we draw the arrow, it's going to the left. So ours should as well. Okay. So I want you to try 4, 5, and so right now, try 4 and 5 on your own. So I want you to pause the video and try 4 and 5 on your own right now. All right. So when you do number 4, you should get x is less than 0. So a couple of things here. 13 minus 13 gives you this 0 here. Okay, so that's how we got that 0. But then we have to divide because this isn't just x. And when we divide by a negative, we need to flip our inequality symbol. So that's why our inequality symbols flip the other direction. We're going to have to do the same thing for number 5. So we subtract 30, we get a negative 30. We are dividing by a negative 6. So that tells me we flip our inequality symbol. Okay? So then it should be an open circle over 5 going to the right. All right, so I want you to try number 6 on your own, and we'll go over that in class the next time I see you.